Okay, I've been trying to make this lathe with a power source that's controllable, and I think that I'm here now. So, paracord belt, sewn and stitched and whipped. Free running hub with skateboard bearings in the headstock, same again in the tailstock, adjustable tailstock up and down for different lengths of wood, securely bolted down. There's the end bit. I still haven't made a tool rest yet. Yeah, I had an idea, as you can see, with the grooves I cut, but it was after I put it all together I suddenly realised that to be effective that has to go all the way out to there, and I really don't want to have to go through all that, so I'll come back to that bit. Anyway, more importantly, the bloody power supply. I bought this cheap dimmer switch and just a bog standard Black & Decker drill. So power on. Can't see needing it to go any quicker than that. And then bringing it down, fully controllable. There we go. I'm really chuffed with that, guys. I'm really chuffed with that. Got to turn a piece of wood this afternoon. That one, I'm gonna not do it from here. I'm just gonna take these corners off, make it a bit more hexagonal, and then see what I can do. Really pleased. Everything's secure. Don't know if you can see, if I can turn that up that way. Little grub screw there, just holding the piece in, with screws obviously going into the wood. So I've got to remember that there are screws going at least that deep into the wood. Nothing seems to be loose, everything is rock solid. It appears to be safe. That's the first thing, obviously. Most importantly, I don't need that flying off into my face. The drill is rock solid. Well, let's see what I can produce with it.